Are you tired of endless diet cycles, feeling hungry and seeing no real results? Imagine shedding stubborn pounds, boosting your energy, and feeling incredible in just 21 days, all while enjoying delicious, satisfying meals. This isn't another fad. It's the 21-day smoothie diet, and it's transforming lives. We've all been there: restrictive eating, bland meals, and constant cravings. Traditional diets often leave us feeling deprived and defeated. But what if there was a simple, enjoyable way to kickstart your weight loss journey and build healthier habits? I was skeptical too, having tried countless programs. Yet, after seeing incredible transformations and diving into the science, I discovered the power of the 21-day smoothie diet. It's not just about smoothies, it's a complete, easy-to-follow plan designed for sustainable success. This isn't about starving yourself or drinking tasteless concoctions. The 21-day smoothie diet replaces specific meals with nutrient-dense, delicious smoothies. These blends are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. They naturally reduce calorie intake while flooding your body with essential nutrients. This approach helps curb cravings, boost metabolism, and gently detoxify your system. It's a powerful combination for effective weight loss and improved well-being. The program features 36 carefully crafted recipes, ensuring variety and enjoyment. Let me share a few favorites that make this diet a breeze. The Berry Blast Smoothie is a powerhouse of antioxidants. It fights inflammation and keeps you feeling full for hours, making it perfect for a satisfying breakfast. For a gentle cleanse, the Green Detox Smoothie is surprisingly delicious. Packed with spinach, kale, and healthy fats, it supports digestion and detoxification without tasting green. And for a treat that feels indulgent, the Chocolate Peanut Butter Smoothie delivers. It's rich in protein and healthy fats, perfect for muscle recovery or a satisfying, guilt-free meal. The benefits extend far beyond just weight loss. Participants consistently report increased energy levels, clearer skin, and significantly improved digestion. Say goodbye to bloating and hello to a more vibrant you. This diet is incredibly convenient, fitting seamlessly into busy lifestyles. Prepare your smoothies in minutes, making healthy eating effortless, even on the busiest days. It's a sustainable path to a healthier, happier you. Are you ready to finally achieve your weight loss goals and feel amazing? The 21-day smoothie diet offers a complete, proven system to guide you. It includes the full recipe collection, detailed meal plans, shopping lists, and expert tips for success. Don't let another day pass feeling stuck. Click the exclusive affiliate link in the description below to access the complete 21-day smoothie diet program. Start your journey today and unlock the vibrant, energetic, and confident person you're meant to be.